Okay. So, I'm gonna use my hands today. Be like a real YouTuber. And we are going to create a dating app.
Oh shit.
Yes. See, Kaupo is married and I'm gonna be married, so... Okay, now it's gonna create the project. In the meantime, we are going to uplabs. So uplabs is a place where stupid developers like myself can find some templates for the applications if they
like
don't.
Dating app template.
Yes, so they don't know how to do it, so they look at what someone else has done. Okay, and we are going to be looking at... Let's take one of these. You can pick one.
I don't want to. This one, very nice.
This is not a good one.
Oh my god. This one, very nice.
Okay, golden Tinder.
Oh yeah, baby.
We are actually gonna take this one.
No, no.
Somebody made this.
Already banned from YouTube,
Yes.
naked woman.
And is selling it for 49 bucks. And we are definitely gonna use this naked lady.
Take my money.
So, what we wanna do is, we're gonna pick a screen from here. Let's use something simple. So I'm gonna just, although I love the lady, I'm just gonna use this one for now. And we're gonna open it and leave it like this. Now what we want to do is we're gonna make the new Flutter project. It's not done yet. What the hell? So we're gonna open the new Flutter project then, yeah? Okay. And we're just going to try and make a copy of this layout. So now when we go here, so like we looked at last time, this is the material app, right? This is your whole application. Inside it you have a home page. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a stateful widget. We're actually gonna remove that because this is no longer going to be a stateful widget. What we are planning to do with it doesn't require state. So I haven't done this in a while either, but I think we can start with column. Still looks kind of bad.
Very, very bad.
Looks pretty good, I think.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, so we could get like the color to be a little darker and all that, but I think just to prove the point, we
Did our first Flutter app.
yeah, we did like an easy layout. So I'm not sure if the uplabs guy is too happy with me, but then again I didn't use his assets. We just stole his layout by copying it ourselves. So sounds like I just painted a picture of a picture, so I don't care. Alright, and now that you see how everything is done, we're gonna give you some homework. Next time we're gonna see at what you did.
Yeah. Hello, hello.
Okay. So, Mr. Kaupo.
Hello.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Did it look easy or hard? Be honest.
Not that part was not really hard.
Yeah, building news.
Yes.
So we need to pick out what you will be doing first.
Yes, another dating app maybe. Car dating
What's
app.
wrong with you?
I want to bring together
you want
two cars.
You want a car app?
Yes, two cars together.
Anyway, Kaupo doesn't like boobies, he wants to look at cars.
Yes, car wheels are like boobies.
There we go. Car. Okay. Choose one.
I want to do that one.
Is it because of the car?
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Is this 6? No, it's a 3. It's the new 3 one?
Are you stupid?
No.
Read the text above. BMW 8 Series. Cool.
Is this a 1? Okay, and which screen are you doing?
Which one is harder? Left one? Right one, I think.
You can choose, they're both with their problems.
Left one.
Left one, this one?
Yes.
Okay. I'll say that it's okay if you just use a blue regular app bar.
I'll try my best. I'll use my own car.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
I'll draw it in paint. In my free time I paint cars.
But you
in paint.
You can just do.
I draw cars in paint. Yes.
You seem like the kind of guy to.
Yeah.
If you're gonna have your car, can you please change the price here to be $100?
That $100 is the price of my painting, you bitch ass motherfucker. Throw my car like one of your girlfriends.
Okay. Hope everyone had. Hope everyone saw something here.
Yes.
So this is the image that you were supposed to make.
Left side. Yes.
Yeah,
the left image.
side one. And like I said, you don't have to worry too much about the top app bar, which is okay if you just like don't think about that too much.
Yeah, at the moment it's the default one because that to make that it's too difficult and too time consuming.
Okay, and this is the one that you made. Okay, what's going on here?
I left that because I wanted to ask how do I, if you change click interior,
yeah,
then the color changes. But how do I change the body? I want to change the image.
So
because all the tutorials I found, these ones don't work. Like
okay. You need to put like an unpressed or something.
Yeah,
probably, right?
but I don't know how to put the right thing. Didn't find something useful.
Okay, and this guy, and quite a cheap car you made.
Fuck you.
More or less. So if I were like a UX designer, I would probably complain about this being too close to the bottom here compared to this right here.
I didn't know how to put the button more padding for the button because it's too close to the bottom. Look at the code.
I'll do it in a second.
And also
I still don't get why are we using this card.
Because this is the best of the best. I have that one.
Because if it was me and I would pull up next to you in this one, and you had this one.
Yes, everyone will look at me.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Good, 5 more laps. That's it, watch it. There you go, come on.
You can pretty much say that you want something to appear here.
No,
tab bar.
I want to change the picture where the car is.
What do you think that in this UX this would do?
Change the picture. Yeah, for sure.
Okay,
for sure.
So what you should have done is put all of this, the picture and this whole color selection here inside of that body. And then you can also put this one inside of this body.
Yes.
It would be a whole lot more logic. So let's say you had an exterior, you would need to have 3 different images for your exterior colors. Same for the interior and same for the engines.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to see me do it?
Yeah. Just change the car picture to some kind of color or whatever. I just want to see how it how to do it.
I needed to change Kaupo's implementation a little bit. Like we said last time, that he doesn't really have to care about how the tabs and buttons and whatever work, but we still needed a way to get them working more or less logically for this UI. So what I did was I took this car and the 3 colors here and I made a custom view for them. So I created a color changer tab controller. I added some assets in the form of an array and I put an index in there. And now whenever the view loads, it's going to display an asset from this array. And whenever a tab is pressed, then we're setting the index to something else to show a different index in this array. And the initial index is always going to be the index that is in the state at that moment. Colors are down here, but the tabs are up here. So I don't know if there is like a Flutter widget for this, but I thought the easiest way would be to just create something myself so that the image would be loaded before the actual tab colors here. Now if I press it down here, then this view is re-rendered and a new image is loaded each time. I don't know. Would you like to change something else? As you see, I maybe did all of this part and it's working, but this isn't working at the moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're not going to do that because that would require some more images. Are you more or less happy with this layout?
Yes. Very good.
Yeah, to me it looks pretty good too. I mean, you actually did a very good job. It's just that, like, we did some functionality stuff also. Nothing too different than what you actually did in the beginning anyway.